Hey guys, if you want to learn how to make all kind of food and dishes homemade the easy and simple way, subscribe so you won't miss any videos and hit that bell so you'll get notified. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to take a minute and show you these sausage patties. These are some of my homemade sausages again. I'm going to put the link up above and you can check out the sausage links recipe. The same thing, these are just patties. And as you see guys, they're starting to nicely brown. I just wanted to kind of get in there so you guys can see that. See how they're starting to brown? And you just want to constantly turn them. They turn real easy. You just want to keep turning them so they can brown evenly on all sides. Subscribe so you can get the next video. Hit the bell so you can get notified. Just wanted to stop by and thank you guys for hanging out with me. See you next time.